Hello and welcome to my kitchen. If you are a new visitor to my channel, do consider subscribing for awesome and easy recipes. Get ready to impress everyone with these healthy crackers snacks. They may look fancy but are really easy to make. Let's get started. Click the link above for the crackers recipe. We will require some boiled chickpeas, freshly grated garlic, coriander leaves, some chili flakes, some pepper powder, some salt and some tahini paste. Tahini paste is readily available in any supermarket. It is made out of sesame seeds. Take a mixie jar and add in all the ingredients. Have you subscribed to my channel already? Now this will be ground to a fine paste. For that, we will also require some extra virgin olive oil. We end up with something like this. I added more olive oil while I was processing this. Our first spread is ready. For this one, we will require some curd or yogurt which has been hung for about half an hour, some grated cheese. I am using processed cheese here, freshly grated garlic and some white pepper powder. We'll just mix them together using a spoon till everything is well combined. You will also need 2 piping bags or plastic cones to decorate the crackers with the spread. For that, fill a plastic bag or a cone with the yogurt spread. You can make the spread a day ahead and put it in the piping bag, close it with a clip or a rubber band and keep it in the fridge to be used the next day. This spread is looking a bit stiff, so I'll just add in a tablespoon or 2 of olive oil and give it a mix. That looks much better. Let's fill it in the bag. Here are some of the ingredients that we will use to make the cracker snack healthy, appetizing and exciting. Salted peanuts, which I have broken into smaller pieces, chopped red bell pepper, coriander leaves, chopped prunes. You can also use chopped raisins or chopped dates, yellow bell peppers, pomegranate seeds, cumin and coriander seeds, roasted and coarsely ground, and some chili flakes. We are going to do 4 types of flavor combinations for these crackers. So to begin with, we need to cut off the tip of one of the spread. All the effort to make them look pretty. You can just add a spoonful of the dip or spread over it as well if you don't want to do all this fancy bit. That's perfectly fine. So I've done 8 with the chickpea spread and I'm doing some with the cheese spread. Now we are going to use a combination of toppings. The first one being peanuts, and pomegranate seeds. Pretty, isn't it? We'll repeat the same topping with the other spread. Coriander leaves for color and to make it even more interesting. For the other combination, we'll just add in bell peppers, and some prunes for color. I'll sprinkle some crushed coriander and cumin over the ones with bell peppers in them, and some chili flakes over the ones with pomegranate in them. Missed out the prunes here. And they are ready. Now, isn't that a pretty sight? Serve them for tea or as an appetizer before a meal. If you like the recipe, do click the like button and share it with your friends. Here's a cool tip to get the seeds out of the pomegranate. If you didn't know it already, take a pomegranate and cut it into half like this. Take a wooden spoon or spatula, hold the pomegranate with the cut side facing down over a bowl and just whack the seeds out. That gets done in no time and it's totally non-messy.